Somebody told me that cartel is free. Is that true? They let cartel out? Is it true? Cartel's out of jail? Cartel's out. So cartel's a free man? Free up. You sure you free up? Free up. If now, go back. If done. If free up. Alright, let me run something like this. Ready for the dance out too now? Ready now?
When you get the new clocks, the daddy.
I wish one of that was in your party.
One you have the style, the daddy.
Let me run some tunes, alright?
When you get the new clocks, the daddy.
They say I only got 10 minutes. So for 10 minutes, let me run some tunes.
The queen for England, no Bobby.
Real bad man, I'm modeling a shot. Straight jeans, cut off foot pants. Everybody have the axe when me get my clocks. Everybody have the axe when me get my clocks. The leather hard, the sweat soft. Toothbrush get out the dust fast.
Ready?
Everybody have the axe when me get my clocks. Everybody have the axe when me get my clocks. Clocks with the summer, clocks with the winter. Clocks with the sun, clocks with the water. Me know me naughty, got off the ceiling. Pull up the tiger in my bunker. Real money piece hotter than sulfur. Me pattern, me daddy.
Let me run some tune.
Real bad man, no model in a shots.
Straight jeans, cut off foot pants.
Everybody have the arms when me get my clocks. Everybody have the arms when me get my clocks. The leather hard, the sweat soft. Toothbrush get out the dust fast.
This is the reggae and dance on truck, alright? Reggae and dance on.
It's on a Nigerian flag. Nigeria, big up. Oh, baby, drinking now, we know. You ready for that yet? You ready for that yet? Ghana. You know what the chocolate? Don't forget the after party today. After party today. Watch the performance. Big up Taser. Irving Event Center. It's going to be crazy. We're going to be there. I ain't care where you're going. We're going there. We're going there. Also, did you all know that Vibes Cartel is free? I know, Adam. I got you. Cartel sing soca too. He's going to sing soca this year. He's going to sing soca this year. Cartel for road match. Yo! Adam, let me go! Turn it up! Turn it up! Everybody put your hands up! Let's go! Who's that What's up?
we jam. Let me go. Yeah. Sing it. Like it. Who love the road? Who love Carnival? Road.
down in the center. All right, watch your turn, 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 watch your turn. What? All right, keep the turn. You ready? I said go down in the center. Go down in the center. Go down in the center. Go down. Anybody drinking anything? What are you drinking? Raise your drinks. Raise your drinks for somebody. All right. I'm drinking a rum with my friends. I'm taking a shot with my friends. I'm drinking strong liquor with my friends. I'm drinking a rum with my friends. I'm taking a shot with my friends. I'm drinking strong liquor with my friends. Oh God, no. I'm drinking a rum with my friends. Drinking a rum with my friends. Oh God, no. I'm drinking a rum with my friends. Drinking a rum with my friends. Oh God, no. I'm drinking a rum with my friends. Drinking a rum with my friends. You like the madness? Ladies, let me see who got the good deeds now. Let me go, somebody. Fit the girl them there. Fit the girl over there. Uncle Ellis there. Someone sing there. Lucian girl them. Fit the girl them.
Body of a mind of the soul. Make me dance now. Take a chance now.
When we jump in there, Mommy, let's jump in there. Mommy, come on. Everybody go. Make them sing. Sing loud. Niceness. I feel like I'm in the top. We on the roadway. 1, 2, 3, let me go.
Yo, Shomari, KRL.
This is the vibes on the road, Sunlight Mass.
Time, make up your mind. This carnival is one of a kind. Everybody knows it's party time.
Keep my head in outside road.
And we in party mode. Nobody's going home. We serving summoners. I don't want sleep no more. We in the bed for sure. Whining all on the floor. This my girl, I'm feeling fast. This why they know yeah. I love to see the kinetic bikinis. Oh, it looks so nice. It looks so nice. Yeah. The wine so hot, can I swear what's the tease? Them young girl full of vibes. So she's like, and this is how we just sleep mass, sleep mass, sleep mass. Watching all them costumes.
Let me punch somebody.
And they pass. Let's go. All of the girls them feeling tipsy. On the floor, everybody ready. Cause we heading out our road. And we in party mode. Nobody's going home. We serving so hard. I don't want sleep no more. We in the bed for sure. Whining all on the floor. This my girl, I'm feeling proud. This one's a feeling, yeah.
Let me get more control now.
One's a feeling,
Now, if you jumping on the side or the back of this truck right now, you better have some fucking energy around the truck. Let's go. You better have some energy.
From my riches, I decision.
Anybody in here with their best friend? If you behind sunrise, everybody jump.
From my riches, I decision. I jump already. I see a sexy girl, I want to walk already. I drink and go, take buckle around already. I don't take a selfie, instead from already. I'm moving like a madman. Whoa, it's problems in this session. Whoa, give me space like a pedestrian.
Have you been drinking all morning?
And please don't ask no questions.
Who's been drinking all morning?
Straight off the jumbo jet. 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 Straight from the airport, straight in the bed. Straight off the jumbo jet. Straight off the jumbo jet.
Straight off the jumbo jet. Everybody, I'm moving there, be with me. We are family.
Turn up the music. Somebody jump up. Jump up. Jump up. Jump up. This is the gun that I worship, where thousands of people worship. This year I just come and start the day. Oh yeah, yeah. This year we just turn up the mass, so drinking and shaking the fire. Just follow the rhythm all the way. I say, look around, you're fine. It's more than a kind. Look around, you're fine. It's more than a kind. Look around, you're see.
If you represent for the city of Toronto, put your hands in the air. Start the jump right now. On 4, I want you to take the biggest jump. On 4, get ready. 1, hands in the air. 2, hands in the air. 1, 2, 1, 2, jump, 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 jump.
Somebody jump up. Jump up. Somebody jump up. Somebody jump up. And it's all gonna madness, all gonna madness.
Music gone.
Yeah. Now, if you're in front of the truck, I need you guys to move back. I need you to be behind the truck. We're trying to make. I need everybody to back up. When I tell you to leave, just go behind the truck. We're on the sides. Please back up. Let's go behind the truck now.
What?
Juve money. One last. When you have a pretty service, you must suck it good. Suck it good. Before you touch the my blues, keep it up with a firewood. What to do? Suck it good. Suck it. When you drop them suck it. Juve money. One last. When you have a pretty service, you must suck it good. Suck it good. Before you suck it good. Are you ready for this one?
We're going from country to country.
niggas work hard.
You guys can come in.
I know.
That's them close off the gate there. That's on the happy spot. That's the with the truck them that's all. We're going to go some. I don't even know where I'm at. Honestly, I don't know where I'm at.
I am not.
I don't even know. We're far from the carnival.
So I risked it.
So I never come here, sir.
I tell you what a picture.
No, we should skip with this. I want to say truck them park. They might turn and go back the other side, eh? Go through, try to go back. Go on, try to go back. You said that. Try to go back. Come. Come.
You guys can't come in. No coming in. We just got a lot of people, the people. You guys can't come in.
Without a bracelet. Go get a bracelet.
Girl, fuck up. Let's go around.
Come on. I know we have to have bracelets to go up to. Stupid move to do all of that. All because I try to find a truck. I'll try to find a way back over this way. I'll try to find a way around the corner. Can't go there, security will block it.
Looks like an accident.
We'll go by the bridge. Yeah, that's funny though. We're there right on the right spot. I'm coming. Yeah. I think everybody want to find trucks, walk up and down behind, but we just want to find about the first spot over there. Over there. That's good. Underground, yeah, underground, eh? Underground, I'm gonna go over the other side.
Someone has it, right? Who the frick is it?
So we're gonna subway, you see? Need to get back over there. Oh, you get back over that side, bro. Oh, upstairs, yeah.
goes on Friday, August 23rd. Inside the representation right now. TicketJailbreak.com. Come represent the Canadian team, right? And that's for the badness, right? I'm gonna play one more thing for the brother to all my Caribbean people. I want you to do me a favor.
You know you're not tired of the fun.
I want to give you a jump right now. Let's go.
Here we go. If you got a flag, you're proud of your country right now. And you're proud of where you come from. I want you to put your flag in there right now. And we'll be around the place. We're the flag. Come on. We're the flag. It's all about Guinness. Remember, it's all about Guinness. It's all about Guinness. DJ knocking out the sex the bar. Representing the Guinness. Yo, shout out to all my people that's right by this truck, man. Y'all, I fuck with y'all still. That's the soca truck, but this is the dancehall and reggae truck. I had to dash with my Vinci flag today because I'm an honorable Jamaican just to play dancehall and reggae, you know? If you know you love dancehall and reggae, I need to put the up. Shout out to everybody that came and supported the Guinness Truck for 2024. I see y'all all around here. I need y'all to clap for yourself one time because I love to see it, man. Whoa, sorry. 5 minutes? Oh, 15 minutes. Oh, never mind. They told me I have to shut down, but I guess I got 15 minutes, so. You want me to go for another 15 minutes? I can go home. That's all right. I'm tired. I can go 15 minutes. Y'all want me to go on for 15 minutes? You want me to run some more tunes for 15 minutes? What should I run? Should I run some Afrobeat or should I run some dancehall? Hold on. Oh, somebody said Afrobeat. They over here said they don't want to hear no damn Afrobeats. They want to hear dancehall. You want to hear dancehall? Alright, hold on. If y'all want to hear Afrobeats, put your hand up like this. Damn. If y'all want to hear dancehall, put your hand up like this. Yo, sorry Afrobeats. You know I'm going to get a 1, 2, 3 for you, but the dancehall people are running this. Alright, hold on. You want me to mix it? You want me to mix it? Alright, we're doing the mix. Hold on. Wait. If we're going to run some dancehall like this, right? Somebody told me that Cartel is free. Is that true? They let Cartel out? Is it true? Cartel's out of jail? Cartel's out. So Cartel's a free man? Free up. You sure he free up? Free up. If not, I go back. If done. If free up. Alright, let me run something like this. Ready for the dance out too? No, ready now.
When you get the new clocks, the daddy.
I wish one of that one in your charging.
Well, you have the style, the daddy.
Let me run some tunes, alright?
When you get the new clocks, the daddy.
They say I only got 10 minutes. So for 10 minutes, let me run some tunes.
The key for England, no backyard.
Real bad man, a model in a shorts. Straight jeans, cut off foot pants. Everybody have the arms when me get my clocks. Everybody have the arms when me get my clocks. The leather hard, the sweat soft. Toothbrush get out the dust fast.
Ready.
Everybody have the arms when me get my clocks.
Let me run some tunes.
Clocks with the flare, clocks with the summer, clocks with the winter, clocks with the sun, clocks with the water. Me no be naughty, that of the sailor. Pull up the tiger, in my bunker. Me want a piece hotter than sulfur. Me pattern, me daddy.
Let me run some tunes.
Real bad man, no model in a shorts.
Straight jeans, cut off foot pants. 2024 Guinness truck. I go by the name of Frank Sinatra. That's my man Specs the Boss. And we fucking this shit up, alright? Tell them. Tito, we don't get wild all night.
Run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. Body, better, girl, don't try. Mama queens up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, man up, get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. If a girl
What we say? What we say? We say Mary Hannah. I only got like 5 minutes, alright? I only got like 5 minutes. Pretty girl, I sing like I can tell about. When you are a job, tell them like.
Long time we no kill a man. So it's purple limit like 8 a man. Stick a bomb, make a jam, pop brain fire. So no must catch a man. That's it, now we the grabber man. Scheme up like Shabba motherfucker. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody's shot, every banana.
Tell them.
It's feel like the rims and the Canada. We need them banana. Shot fire, every man a drop flat.
Let me run some more tunes. Let me run some more tunes, yo.
We dey kill them, seconds to tune them. Pick up the whole of them. Come on, get it, no, I get it. Anything I do. Headline news, if you waiting, I no do. Then go say I do. Nothing but the truth, and I step up in the groove. Now life, my life, no be smart.
Shut up, Guinness one time. Ready?
Guys, give me the glizzy with the switch.
Tell them that.
Some people never see this Christmas. And my crosses most of them not even Christians. Clip man, body sinking at the quicksand. See that full of bomb like Afghanistan. Little me tight, I'm the enemy, them a play.
So they know you're not sorry for me.
People are ball and a screen, can we bad.
I gotta run through this quick, right?
V6 bunny to a lot of gas.
Ready? I want to rule that pasta.
I should take it out of these guys now.
When I tell you this is a big bag Guinness truck for 2024, right? Shout out Guinness. If you drink it, drink responsibly. I need y'all to get home safe tonight, all right? But shout out to all my Jamaican and dancehall reggae lovers, yo!
V6 bunny to a lot of gas now. I should take it out of these guys now. She broke it cocky, so me, I forget the gas now. Me bang her dead, I wear the charger. Did you love black, so the force in smarter. She have to jump when I enjoy charter. Me can't find a dirty car, she don't look smarter. I'm in a way, man, calm, I wish I could see old from me, go against the other. She wants you with a star, I'm a pussy, my face, so calm, I'm a star. Bang, this one, I'm a dancer. I'm a beats, and I like to catch a star. She call me teacher, like my last name.
Hold on. All right, I gotta play one more tune and then we gotta get up out of here. One more tune and then we gotta get up out of here. Did y'all have fun today? Y'all have fun today? Y'all didn't have fun? Shit, then I didn't do my job then. I fucked up. I didn't do a good job if y'all didn't have no fun today. Y'all really didn't have no fun today? If you know you fuck with dancehall and reggae, let me see you put your hand in the sky like this, alright? If you know you're proud to be from the Caribbean island, let me put your hand in the sky like this. I got Guyana, I got St. Lucia, I got St. Vincent, we got the Bahamas, Bermuda, Haiti. Yo, but there's what, Barbados? Who else I got back there? Is that Dominica? Who's that? What that? Grenada? St. Kitts and Nevis? St. Kitts? I got you. But there's somebody I'm missing still. I'm a Vincy, but today I decided to be somebody else because they wanted to play soca, so I couldn't do soca, so I had to do dancehall and reggae. So for some reason, I decided to take up what color is it? Gold, black, and green? Yo, what color is that? What flag is that from? Where? Where's that from? If you proud to be from fucking Jamaica, put up your hand!
God kill me, man. See them up in there.
Yo, y'all been amazing. Let me play this one tune right now, alright?
Check. Bad man, me on the turn, bro. Jesus Christ. Please stop the capping. Boy, please stop the capping.
Ready?
In a yard of foreign. Get it and solid. Tap cap on them, you see a tap cap.
Can we tell them?
Now below, say them jam by your bed. Hide them high. With them friend things, we no friend.
Ready now.
Where you know a boss wash.
Hold on. I gotta play respect. Start that one from the top again. Please, start that one from the top again. Start that one from the top again. Shout out to all my dancehall and reggae lovers. Caribbean is for the Caribbean islands, so we don't just play soca. We got to represent all the Caribbean, all right? Dancehall and reggae is part of the Caribbean culture. So if you know you fuck with dancehall and reggae, put up your fucking one finger.
Please stop the capping.
We say please stop the capping. Yeah, please stop the campaign. Ready, yeah. Ready now. Shout out to Guinness Truck 2024. Ready?
That shot is his butt. Big brains, made of them down. Yeah, 6 free. Tell them if you fuck round with a rich team, and the killers them out when the chips squeeze. So many big brains, man, made of them down. Yeah, 6 free. Tell them if you fuck round.
Yo, y'all have been amazing, bro. Shout out to all of you right now. Y'all been amazing. We had fun together. But they're telling me I gotta shut this shit down because y'all having too much fun. All right, so we gotta go home. Before I get up out of here, I want to shout out Guinness. Shout out Guinness one time for bringing us on the road, Guinness 2024. Shout out to MSI Sound for the ink. I go by the name of DJ Frank Vinatra. You can follow me on Instagram at It's Frank Vinatra. That's my brother Specs the Boss. And until next year, I need y'all to get home safe, all right? Everybody get home safe. It was a great year. Shout out to y'all. Y'all were the best.
On Instagram at Green's Connection. Engineer, we mash up the road. Whoa, Shaggy, too much room to go. Summer 24 not done yet. Whoa, I tell you inside. Outside. One more to go, Shaggy, find inside. Outside. Whoa, I tell you inside. Outside.
Who's that, Barry Hyde? Barry Hyde? Who that, Barry Hyde? Shout out to MSI Sounds. And of course, Guinness. Remember, when you have the LCBO, when you have the beer store, make sure you get your Guinness. And make sure you drink responsibly. And on behalf of Guinness, remember, please use an Uber, a Lyft, the Go, the GTC, your foot, your brain. Use a designated driver. Don't drink and drive. Alright? Nice. How about a Sunday battery?
We're not gonna overdo it. Shout out to the Toronto Caribbean Carnival committee.
Big up Barry Hyde
for having us. We definitely appreciate the love. Understand. Make sure you guys reach home safe. And make sure you have a safe the rest of the weekend. You safe sex and violence free. You understand? We want to survive
And stay alive.
Make sure you survive. What you say? One more? Well, if I play one more, the whole
World Bash, August 23rd at the Rebel.
Be about yourself today. I'm gonna ask the engineer.
Team Canada versus the world.
So engineer, what you say?
More info at Specs the Boss.
No. Engineer, I'll go buy
DJ Frank Vinatra.
One more.
Make sure you follow my Guinness. MSI Sounds. We're good flags.
Alright. Reach home safe wherever you guys gonna party tonight. make sure you be safe, you understand? Toronto Caribbean Carnival 2024 was definitely a good look. No matter which part of the world you come from you love soca music, you're here to represent the Caribbean. So right now the truck ain't ready to go on load right now, so everybody could you please come off the truck. We appreciate the love and we party and we have fun. Everything being safe, you understand? Things be safe. So tonight if you want to party with Greens Connection, we inside of Brampton for What a Mess. Also, What's Behavior Cool Effects. Go follow us on Instagram. Check the location for all these events, alright? We got some, you want music to 8 p.m.?
Remember Friday,
Hold
August
on.
23rd, it's all about the
Someone just come shut me down.
It's all about
And
Road
now,
Crash.
the lady that runs the committee said we can play until 8 p.m. So am I getting some overtime money or what? I'm not getting overtime money. Holy! You gotta love the Caribbean Carnival, man. They show a lot of love. What the DJ and them pack up already to go already. You know what?
Also keep in mind tomorrow I'm gonna shut this out of the country right after the radio station Flow 987. That rhythm track, check it out. It's all about power. I'm down in the east side, I'm down in the creek. Good for the boss, right? Simple thing. Alright? Make sure you get home safe on the island. Please don't drink and drive. He's the moment, he's the next thing to go. He's the first thing to pray. He's a designated driver. But please don't drink and drive. Stop the vehicle. I'm going to get you out of the vehicle. Alright, that's the culture. Alright?